at that.
Nice. Good job.
Thanks, man.
Oh no.
What's up, guys? So today I'm here at Voyageur Park in DePere, Wisconsin, and I can't get my truck in here. I've got there's construction all over the place. I'm gonna get in here, but I got my kayak. I'm gonna have to haul from the parking lot over here all the way through the park, all the way to the river. It's gonna be pretty tiring. I'm already sore from yesterday, but let's do it. Well, the channel here is looking kind of yucky, low vis, dead fish. All right, here at the fishing dock, we got a couple of guys fishing over here. Got a lot of boats out here. Dang. I'm gonna hop in the water. Visibility is probably about a foot and a half. And since I can't really see that very well in the water, I think I'm gonna grab the boogie board today with the basket. I'm not gonna be going way out there with my kayak. I'm grabbing anchors. I'll just be sticking to shore and just trying to get lures, fishing rods, whatever else I find. Trash, you know.
The bad thing is, I thought I had 3,000 PSI of air, but I only have 2,000. So it's gonna be a short dive today.
Not good. Getting something though. This is the first for me. Little mini, I think it's an Alabama rig or something. That's pretty cool. Let's go on the wall. That's a newer one. Get off here. I'm gonna see if there's any fishing poles over here. Thanks, man. How you doing?
Good. You want to put that up here for you later on?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Thanks. Cool. Hey, everybody loses pliers, phones, poles, nets right here.
I got good job doing what you're doing, but plus I bet it's fun.
I find a lot of phones, $1,200, $1,300 phones, and return them to people, Apple Watches. Yesterday I found a Fenwick GT Eagle or whatever, and an old golden something, an older one, but nice rod and reels. Trying to get them back, they still work.
Nice. The water visibility doesn't look good.
No. There we go. You guys fishing at the end or where? I'll stay out of your way. goes down to 5 feet, comes out to a ridge, like 3 feet, and there's all jagged rocks, and it goes down a little bit to 4 feet, and it's kind of like that. So when you cast way out, you're hitting a couple different things on the way back. That's a Arizona T.
Just finished my dive in the dirty, low-vis Fox River here at Voyageur Park in DePere, Wisconsin. Check out what I got today. Got a bunch of jigs. I didn't count them yet, but there's some lipless crankbaits, some flicker shads, a bunch of other random lures in here. It's a lot of lures for a dive, I guess. I got some aluminum on here. Got this, what is this, Berkeley lightning rod, 7-footer. And I think that's a Dela reel on there. I think that's the D on there. Got this anchor, got this lighter, and I got a bunch of footage. Footage is gonna be kind of because I can only see about a foot and a half underwater today. Had a couple fish in my face, like bass and a walleye. You just swim right in front of my face because you can only see a certain amount. It was a good dive, got some good exercise. I'm gonna go home and try to winterize my camper.